Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the periodic function. What is mean by periodic function? A function, its value repeat at regular interval is known as a periodic function. Let us consider f mapping real numbers to real numbers, where first real number is belongs to domain and second real number is belongs to codomain, in such a way that p belongs to real numbers and f of x is function where x belongs to real numbers, then f of x plus p is equals to f of x, then we can call it as this function is periodic function where p is period of the function, where p is a period of function. Now let us consider sin x period. Period of sin x is 2 pi. Let me show with the help of diagram. Here we have 0 and pi and 2 pi. The one complete cycle is from 0 to 2 pi. After completing the one cycle, it repeats itself. Okay, it repeats itself. 0 to 2 pi and 2 pi to 4 pi, like this. 0 to 2 pi one complete cycle, and next 2 pi to 4 pi again it's repeating. Let us consider one more. Let us consider 2x sin 2x. Then the period is 0 to pi. That means the period of this sin 2x is pi. Sin 2x is pi, and next to sin 3x is 3x is 0 to 2 pi by 3, and next consider 4x. Then the period is 0 to pi by 2, hence the period is pi by 2. As the angles increases, the period is goes on decreases. Here sin 2x is 2 pi by 2, and sin 3x period is 2 pi by 3, and sin 4x period is 2 pi by 4. Here this is pi and this is pi by 2. Now in generalized we can write it as sin ax period is 2 pi by a modulus, and cos ax period is 2 pi by a modulus, and the tan ax is pi by a modulus. In sin ax, cos ax, tan ax period is this. Next, what is the period of sin x modulus? Sin x modulus period is what? So sin mod x period is pi. Sin mod x is pi, because after completing of pi it repeats once again up to 2 pi. Okay, it is repeating, hence we can say that sin x modulus is the period is pi. So next is cos ax, also same. Cos x period is also pi only. Okay. Next, here we have one question. Find the period of the following function. First question, we know that cos x period is 2 pi. Period of cos of ax plus b is 2 pi by a modulus. From here, period of cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7 is 2 pi by a modulus. Just consider x coefficient. We have 3, hence this is the solution. This is the solution. In this period, first given function is written. Given function f of x is equals to cos of 4x by 5 plus 9 by 5. So, we know that period of cos of ax plus b is 2 pi by a modulus. So, use this. Period of cos of 4x by 5 plus 9 by 5 is 2 pi by a is what we have 4 by 5. From here 2 2's, hence 5 pi by 2, hence this is the solution for the period of the second question. This is the period of the given function. Next, here in the third question, find the period of the tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square. Now from here we can write the tan of x plus 2 square x plus 3 square x plus and so on plus n square x. From here we can take common in the angle x common. So 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square, where into x. We know one formula. We know that summation of n square or else 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is n into n plus 1 into and 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. Substitute in the place of that. Then you can get tan of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into x. Then period of tan ax is pi by a modulus. Similarly, period of tan of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into x is equals to pi by a modulus, where a is what we have, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So bring the 6 here, then 6 pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is the solution for the given question. I hope I am clear. Here we have one question. Find a sine function whose period is 2 by 3. First we know that period of sine ax is 2 pi by a mod. So here given period is given period 2 by 3. Here actually 2 pi by a. So from here we can write it as a is equals to 3 pi. Hence the a value is 3 pi. We can write it the sine function. Hence therefore sine of 3 pi is the periodic function, is the solution. This is the solution. Here in this question we have find the cosine function whose period is 7. He given a period and is asking to find the cosine function. Now we know that period of cos ax is 2 pi by a modulus. So he given period is 2 pi by given period is 7 is equals to 2 pi by a modulus. Just bring a to the left hand side and send the 7 to the right hand side. A mod is equals to 2 pi by 7. Hence therefore cos of ax a is what, 2 pi by 7 into x is the periodic function. Hence this is the required solution.